Today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going fishing for trout. So there are a few places to fish for trout in Middle Tennessee, and I'm going to one of them. It's called the Caney Fork River, and it's below the dam on Center Hill Lake. They stock that river with trout. I'm not exactly sure when, but there are trout there year-round. There are different places to fish for trout in Tennessee in the winter, because several rivers have winter stocking programs. It's crazy. Crazy regulations, but it's fun. I'll be fishing today for rainbow trout, brook trout, and brown trout. They're all in there. So I'm headed off to a Walmart to buy my special trout fishing license that you need for Tennessee. Alright, I'm at good old Walmart. I'm here to get my trout license because the state of Tennessee will fine me a penalty if I don't have this. Alright, I got my fishing license from Walmart, and now I am off to get some food for the drive. It's about an hour drive, so this is turning out to be a vlog. I'll get back to you when I get there. Stopped at Jack in the Box to get some breakfast. Jack in the Box. One thing to keep in mind while fishing for trout at the Caney Fork is the generation schedule. If the dam is releasing too much water, the current will be too strong for me to wade in, so I need to make sure that I look for times when they are not generating or when they are not releasing water so that I can walk in the river. I'm gonna stop at this rest area so I can get some candy or something to eat while I'm fishing.
All right.
There we go. Alright, we're finally here at Buffalo Valley. This is the park where I come fishing for trout. It's on the Caney Fork River. I gotta get a few things ready. I'm gonna park down here in the closer spots. I made it. Now I'm just walking down the nature trail. While I'm waiting for the water level to fall, I'm gonna go back to the car and get my water walking shoes. Tulip poplar. Wow, it's hot and sunny.
see what I got. Looks like a little rainbow. Nice fish. Let's see if I can get another one. This one looks more like a brook trout. Alright, also got this nice brook trout. Let's let him go. Oh, came off right at the last second.
I'll tell you what, well, if I hadn't bottomed out, I'd have been okay. But just you throw in behind me, and they're following me wherever I'm going.
Got one. Nice little rainbow. Nice little rainbow. It's about a 10-incher. Slipped right out of my hand. Alright, I'm seriously running out of battery, so I gotta make this quick. I had a good trip. I caught 3 or 4 trout, a couple of rainbows.